Welcome to the 8th video of visualization Python series. In this video, we are going to see how to plot a pie chart. So first I will import the necessary libraries like I will import pandas and matplotlib. Then I will create one random data frame so my data frame look like if I do that. So this is my data frame that has the categories and the values. Value means how many times it occurs. Like I have the category like A, B, C, D, and I have the values like 30, 15, 25, and 20. So how to plot a pie chart? So before that, what is pie chart? So a pie chart is a circular data visualization that uses slices or the pie wedges to represent the relative proportion or percentage of different categories within a dataset. So pie chart is basically used for comparison of or the representation of categorical and univariate comparison. It shows the only for univariate. We can do the bivariate comparison. We can show the univariate comparison of data. We can show the represent the one column of data in a pie chart. So I will explain with the chart. So the seaborn library won't give the pie chart option, so we will use the matplotlib. So for that I have to use matplotlib library. So I will use plt.py. If I use plt.py, I can get the pie chart. So I can give the x-axis as my the values. So I will use x-axis as df dot df of values. Then if I plot this, let's see what will we get. We got an error because the value, I have to give values. So the x-axis I have to give the values. So this shows the represent like this means the 30% portion, 20% portion is represented over the pie chart, but it don't have any labels. So if I want to add the label, so in my case the label is my category. So if I want to add the label, I have to use labels is equal to the df of that category. So if I have label now, so this got my label like category A, category D, category C, and category B. So have the label and the proportion of the data. So but I don't have the any numerical information. So if I want to add the numerical information, I have to give auto pct is equal to within a quote percentage like percentage 1.1 f percentage. If I give this, the data is converted that into percentage. Now I have the information in a percentage. So I can now say A category acquires 33.3 percentage, category D acquires 22.2 percentage of the whole data, then the C category acquires 27.8 percentage, then category B acquires 16.7 percentage. So this is how I can add the percentage. I can get the information in percentage in pie chart. So then if I want to increase or decrease the size of this chart, I can use the radius. So I can use the radius. So I can change the radius, like if I decrease that, I can give it 0.5. It will decrease the size of the chart to this. If I want to increase, I can give radius like 2.5. It will increase the size of my chart. So this is how I can do some customization of the pie chart. So then if I want to rotate this label, I can use rotate labels is equal to true. If I use this, my label is rotated according to the style. So this is how I can do some customization of the pie chart. So to draw a pie chart, we will use matplotlib library because seaborn don't offer the pie chart. So within that, I have to use the univariate because the pie chart is used for univariate categorical information representation. And if I want label, I have to give the label is equal to, like in my case, the category. If I want the information in a percentage, I have to use the autopacity is equal to this code. Then I can change the radius, means size of this chart. Then if I want to rotate the label, I can do rotation of this chart. So this is how I can do some customization. So this is about this video. In this video you learned about the how to draw pie chart by using matplotlib library. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.